Tracking payments in Monday.com involves setting up a board to monitor financial transactions and manage payment workflows effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser and log in with your credentials. Create a new board. Click on the plus new board button from your dashboard. Name your board and choose a template if needed, or start with a blank board. Add relevant columns. Customize your board to track payments by adding the following columns: item name, amount, date, status, payment method, notes. Enter payment data. Input payment details into the board, updating the status as payments are processed. Use automations. Set up automations to notify team members about upcoming due dates, overdue payments, or changes in payment status. Click on automations at the top of the board and configure triggers and actions as needed. Monitor and report. Regularly review the board to ensure payments are tracked accurately. Use filters and views to generate reports and insights into payment status and trends.